Good morning and welcome to the channel. My name is Brad. Today we're going to install this DZ tailgate assist on my 2018 F150 XLT. See how it works. See which side it wants it on. Driver's side. There's an important part right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Please note this product can only be installed on the driver's side. Getting out of the package. Looks like some mounting brackets. Tool for it. Fits that. I'm guessing that's some type of Threadlocker. Another plate. A bolt. And we're back. And as you can see, I think I got out all the rest of the tools we're going to need. 10mm wrench is what it asked for. And I think they want you to use a wrench because this is a little tight right here. There's not a whole lot of clearance. But I think if you have a small ratchet like this, 10mm socket, you can work with that. Just be careful not to hit your truck. And then also you're going to need a 5mm hex bit to put this the bolt to include for this lower plate back in. Alright, so let's get to work. We're going to remove the top bolt completely. On this plate, this bolt right here. This one comes out. This lower one you just loosen up. Okay, I'll take this out, set it aside. Take our ratchet and just loosen this lower one. And they just want you to loosen it because you only need enough play to get this plate to slide over. That slot right there goes behind the head of that bolt. So you only need that loose. Something like that. Try to keep the factory washer over that plate. Loosen up a little bit more. A little bit on the threads of each bolt. It doesn't take much of this. Just a drop or two on there will do it. Okay. We'll take our plate, slip it over that slot, over that bolt, and rotate it until you can get that hex head bolt to include installed. So just add a little bit of Threadlocker to it. And go ahead and install it. It's always a good idea to start stuff by hand and then tighten up with the tool. That's plenty started. And for this, I added the extension just to give me more clearance here. I didn't want to hit the head of the ratchet on the truck. You want to get these tight, but not crazy. Don't go cranking on it with all your strength. You just want it tight enough it won't back off. Tighten up this lower one now. Alright, on to the upper plate. Alright, so next we're going to take the cable off and then take that bolt out right there, that Torx head bolt. The tab out, lift the tailgate up slightly, and then you can pull this cable up and off. Just set it down. We'll take this bolt out. That's what this included wrench is for. It's a T50 Torx, I believe. It's pretty snug. Okay, now that's out, go ahead and add a little of that Threadlocker to the threads. Just put a little line on there. Like I said, it doesn't take a whole lot. Put it through the plate. Go ahead and thread that in as far as you can by hand. As you tighten this up, I think you want this to hang straight down so you can use the plate that you're putting on and line it up with the edge of the piece of the metal from the bedpost here. Just try to make those parallel as best you can. You want to get it pretty tight, but don't go crazy on it. You don't want it to come loose, but you don't want to strip anything either. Okay. And these just click on. See that little ball socket there? If you can see that. Just a hole, basically, and you got this little spring clip that retains it. So you just push it onto the ball. Just push it on there till you hear it click. Just like that, and it's not going anywhere. Once it's attached to the truck, pull it out. Take some force to do it. Just hold it, swing it down. Once you get it out, it's easy to hold. Swing it down, and then clip it onto the bottom one. All right, and then reattach your cable. Lift the bed up slightly. Put it on. Clip it on there, make sure that can't pull off, and you're done. Alright, so we just installed this DZ, part number DZ43204 tailgate assist on my 2018 Ford F150 XLT, the tailgate step. Let's see how it works. Just so you can see it, it does have the extra weight of the tailgate step. I'm gonna open it up and just let it fall. Pretty nice. Look over here, make sure nothing's loose, nothing's rubbing. It's the DZ43204. Is their part number for Ford F-150 15. The current is what it says, but I'm sure that's probably changed. I know there's other options out there. It's just the one that I chose to buy. I did buy this. It's not sponsored. It wasn't sent to me. This is what I wanted to install in my truck for now, and so I bought it. Hope you guys liked the video. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.